Narendra Modi biography. Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of India and has been serving in this role since 2014. He is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) and the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). Born on September 17, 1950 in the Indian state of Gujarat, Modi has had a long and storied political career that has seen him rise from humble beginnings to become one of the most powerful leaders in the world.
Modi was born in the small town of Vadnagar in Mehsana district, Gujarat. He was the third of 6 children born to Damodar Das Mulchand Modi and Hiraben Modi. His father was a street vendor who ran a tea stall, while his mother was a homemaker. Despite the financial struggles of his family, Modi was able to receive an education and showed an early aptitude for politics and organizing. As a child, Modi was interested in the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), a Hindu nationalist organization. He began participating in its activities as a teenager and eventually became a full-fledged member. He spent several years working for the RSS, during which time he developed his skills as a political organizer and speaker. In 1987, Modi became a member of the BJP, a political party that was closely affiliated with the RSS. He quickly rose through the ranks of the party and was eventually appointed as the General Secretary of the BJP's Gujarat unit. During his time in this role, he helped to build the party's base in the state and was widely credited with helping to bring the BJP to power in Gujarat in 1995. Modi continued to play a key role in the BJP over the next several years and was eventually appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2008. During his time in this role, he was credited with implementing several economic and infrastructure projects that helped to spur growth in the state. He was also praised for his handling of the 2002 Gujarat riots, which saw widespread violence between Hindus and Muslims in the state. Despite criticism from some quarters, Modi remained popular in Gujarat and was re-elected as Chief Minister in 2007 and 2012. In 2014, Modi was chosen as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate for the general elections. He ran a highly effective campaign that focused on his record of governance in Gujarat, his ability to bring about change, and his commitment to building a strong and prosperous India. The BJP won a resounding victory in the elections, and Modi was sworn in as Prime Minister on May 2026. Since taking office, Modi has implemented a number of important reforms and initiatives that have helped to transform India. He has launched programs aimed at improving the lives of India's poorest citizens, including the Jan Dhan Yojana, which provides bank accounts and insurance coverage to millions of low-income households, and the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which provides affordable housing to families living in poverty. Modi has also implemented a number of economic reforms that have helped to spur growth in India. These include the Make in India initiative, which aims to promote manufacturing and entrepreneurship in the country, and the Digital India program, which is aimed at transforming India into a digitally empowered society. In addition to his domestic accomplishments, Modi has also played a key role in strengthening India's relationships with other countries. He has made several trips abroad, during which he has held talks with leaders of other nations and attended international conferences and summits. He has also hosted several world leaders in India, including the President of the United States and the Prime Minister of Japan. Modi's leadership and vision have been widely recognized in India. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope that you have learned something new and interesting about Narendra Modi. Your support means a lot to us and we appreciate it greatly. If you like this video, then please share, like, and don't forget subscribe. Thank you for watching.